Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today we are talking about the Vouchercloud app, a super handy for finding discounts and saving money on shopping, dining and more. I'll explain what it is and walk you through how to use. Let's get started. The Vouchercloud app is a free money saving app that gives you access to thousands of vouchers, coupons and special offers. You can find discounts for restaurants, fashion, tech, travel and even local stores near you. Think of it like having a digital wallet full of deals all in one place. Now to use it, go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. To search Vouchercloud on your search bar. After this icon pops up, tap on that, then install your app. Once installed, open up your app and either browse as a guest or sign up with your email or social account for personalized offers. Allow location access so the app can show you nearby deals. Now on the home screen, you see a list of featured deals and popular offers. You can browse by categories like food, fashion, travel, beauty or entertainment. You can also type in a store name or product to quickly find discount right from here. From the search bar at the top, you can search right there. Then tap the near me options to see offers available in your area. Then when you find a deal you like, tap on it, read the offer details carefully. Some deals are online only while others work in store. For online deals, tap get code, copy the discount code and paste it at checkout on the retailer's website. For in-store deals, tap use voucher and simply show the code or barcode to the cashier. You can save vouchers to use later by adding them to your favorites. Enable alerts so Vouchercloud tells you when new deals are available nearby. Some offers are only available on the app, so it's worth checking before you shop. And that's how the Vouchercloud app works. It is simple, fast and can save you money whether you are shopping online or in store. Just open the app or you buy and see what comes are waiting for you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more app guides. Thank you for watching. Bye.